Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps like Idle Empire. They think it is an easy way to earn real money just by clicking buttons or playing a few games. But here's the truth no one tells you. These platforms are reward systems built around tasks, ads, and very small payouts, not real income streams. Quick promise. In this video, you will learn exactly how Idle Empire works in 2026, whether it is legit or not, how you actually earn, what users really experience, and whether it is worth your time or just another low-paying rewards site. Let's break it down simply. Idle Empire is a GPT platform, which stands for Get Paid To. You earn points by completing tasks like playing games, answering surveys, downloading apps, or watching ads. These points can then be exchanged for gift cards, PayPal Cash, or cryptocurrency depending on your region. For example, Alex signs up thinking he can earn quick money in his free time. At first he sees a lot of different offers. It feels like there are many ways to earn. But when he starts completing tasks, he notices something important. Most high-paying offers require a lot of time, personal data, or specific eligibility. Now Jake tries the same platform. He focuses on surveys and game offers. But after a few days he realizes something frustrating. Many surveys disqualify him halfway through, and game rewards take a long time to reach payout thresholds. Now here's where it gets interesting. Idle Empire is legit. It does pay users. Many people have successfully withdrawn gift cards and PayPal Cash. But the earning rate is extremely low unless you are consistently grinding high-value offers. But here's the problem most users do not realize. The value of your time is not aligned with the payouts. You might spend 30 minutes on a task only to earn a few cents or a very small reward. In a minute, here's the key insight that changes how you see these platforms. Idle Empire is not designed to replace income. It is designed to reward engagement and data collection from users. There are also some practical limits. Certain rewards are region-dependent. Some offers are not available in every country, and PayPal withdrawals often require a minimum balance before cashing out. So is Idle Empire worth it? If you treat it like a casual side activity, maybe something you do while watching TV, it can be okay. But if you expect real earnings or side hustle income, you will likely be disappointed. To summarize, Idle Empire is legit, but extremely low-paying. It works, but it is not efficient for making meaningful money. If this honest review helped you, make sure to like the video, comment your experience if you have used it, and subscribe for more real app breakdowns like this.